Hi, welcome to the OnceHub video tutorials. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to update your invoicing details in OnceHub account. These are the invoices for your OnceHub account subscription, and you can update them with personal or business details to claim as a tax deductible expense. So let's get started. To update the billing details, you will first need to log into your OnceHub account as an admin. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page. On the home page, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select billing. In the billing section, go to the transactions tab on the left hand side. Here you will see list of all the transaction and current business details. Click the edit next to the business contact details. A new panel will open where you can update your invoicing or billing details. Once you have made the changes, hit save, and that's it. Your invoicing details are now updated. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.